Let's make a relaxing travel drawing. And if you really love traveling, then don't skip the video. Let's go. Today I am going to start making the foreground first, which is a side of a train with a window visible from the inside. Okay, this part of the video might be a bit boring, but these details really sell the realism in the artwork. To make it look more like a metallic surface, I am using the Scratches texture brush from the Realistic Texture Brushes pack. And if you want to get these brushes for yourself, click on the card or the link is also in the description. Let's create the outside environment visible from the window. See, everything I'm gonna make will be on a clipping mask over this white background. here I am drawing the Eiffel Tower. You can see that I am not drawing it very accurately or using very less details. That's because later I am going to blur it. Now I'll start blurring out these layers one by one. Just select the layer and go to the effects panel and select the Gaussian blur. Now slide your Apple Pencil on the screen to control the blur amount. I noticed that the colors of the Eiffel Tower are looking very flat, so I am going to make some adjustments using the curve tool. I would like to add some more details on the glass of the window to give it a weathered look. Now I will end this by adding a light reflection and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comments, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next video.